Hey guys, what's happening? How to track steps in GoogleFit. To track steps in GoogleFit, ensure automatic tracking is on. So go ahead and check your profile icon at the bottom right. Hit the settings gear at the top right. And you're gonna see track your activities with health. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. Make sure that you connect your GoogleFit with health, right? And that will set a lot of options there to turn on and disable, right? You can turn on sensors, active energy, heart rate, workouts, whatever, right? And they will make sure that they will make sure that Health or Apple Health will sync automatically with Google Fit, and the app uses your phone's sensors to count steps in the background. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.